Prove that tan cube theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot cube theta by 1 plus cot square theta is equal to sec theta cosec theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So the LHS is tan cube theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Then plus cot cube theta by 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Then we know tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So tan cube theta is sin cube theta by cosec cos cube theta. Then into 1 by this sec square theta. 1 by sec square theta plus cot cube theta we can written as sin cos cube theta by sin cube theta into 1 by cosec square theta. Then 1 by sec square theta is cos square theta and 1 by cosec square theta is sin square theta. So the next step is sin cube theta by cos cube theta into 1 by sec square theta is cos square theta plus cos cube theta by sin cube theta into 1 by cosec square theta is sin square theta. So the next step is that is equal to sin cube theta by cos cube theta into cos square theta plus cos cube theta by sin cube theta into sin square theta. Then we can cancel this cos square theta and cos cube theta. So that is equal to sin cube theta divided by here square and here cube. So the denominator is cos theta now. The same way, here sin square theta and here sin cube theta. So by cancelling, there the denominator is sin theta. Now we can add this by taking the LCM. LCM is cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. So this cos theta into sin theta divided by this cos theta, then there is sin theta. That sin theta multiplied with the sin cube theta, that is sin to the power 4 theta. Plus here also the same way, cos to the power 4 theta. Then we know the identity. Then it is rewritten as a square plus b square is a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. By using this identity, we can written as it is sin square theta plus cos square theta the whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Then we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So it is 1 square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta divided by cos theta sin theta. So the next step is 1 square is 1. So 1 by cos theta sin theta. Then minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta divided by cos theta sin theta. So here we can cancel 1 cos theta and this cos square, and here sin theta also we can cancel. So that is 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Then we know 1 by cos theta is sec theta and 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. So sec theta, cosec theta minus here 1 sin theta, cos theta is there. So 2 minus 2 sin theta, cos theta. Then it is the RHS. So LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay.